Yeah. Now, this is one of my earliest recipes. I remember making this and thinking I was top of the top. Poppy color. No, I've learned some new techniques along the way, as well as I've changed ingredients as my palate has become more sophisticated. So let me show you my recipe for chicken cordon bleu. Welcome to my kitchen. Now, chicken cordon bleu is a stuffed chicken breast, and it's stuffed with prosciutto and Swiss cheese. Now, you can also pound out the chicken so that it makes for a more tender product, and you can also substitute the prosciutto for ham, and you can also just use any cheese that you like. Now, I like to use both ham and prosciutto because they work really, really well together. And then everything is breaded and fried. So, let's get started. All right, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna pound out the chicken. So on a cutting board, we're gonna lay a piece of plastic, then we're gonna place the chicken on that, and then top that with another piece of plastic. Then with a meat mallet, a rolling pin, or a heavy pot, we're gonna pound out the chicken. And what you wanna do is just work from the center outwards. Now you can also cut the chicken in half before you pound it out. And we're looking for it to be about 1/4 to a half an inch thick. All right, perfect. So now what we want to do is we're just going to top this with some ham and some prosciutto and then the Swiss cheese. All right, now we just roll this up. And then we're just gonna wrap this in the plastic wrap, and we're gonna twist the end so it's a nice tight package. And then we can either place this in the refrigerator or the freezer to firm up so that way it holds its shape. All right, so these are out of the freezer and they're ready to be breaded. All right, so first we're gonna use some seasoned flour. And then we're just going to put this in the egg wash. And then of course, the breadcrumbs. Now for all my keto conscious people, what you can do is you can skip the seasoned flour and you can just dredge it in the egg wash. And then what you can do is instead of breadcrumbs, you can use crushed pork rind. All right, and then these are gonna go back in the refrigerator or the freezer for about 30 minutes so they can firm up again. All right, so these are out of the refrigerator, and I have some oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna just fry these until they're golden brown. And you're done. And then you enjoy this deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if this is similar to the recipe that you like or what your favorite stuffings are for chicken cordon bleu. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.